Chris Hemsworth, 38, was joined by his loved ones at the Sydney premiere for Thor, Love and Thunder on Monday, June 27. The hunky actor posed on the red carpet with his wife Elsa Pataky and their twin sons Sasha and Tristan, 8, who rarely make public appearances. But the boys made an exception to celebrate their dad's new Marvel movie in his home country. Chris and Elsa's daughter India, 10, wasn't at the star-studded event. Chris looked handsome for the premiere in a black tuxedo and matching shirt and pants. Elsa, 45, color-coordinated with her husband in a black gown with a plunging neckline. The Spanish model accessorized her look with gold heels, a silver necklace, and a pair of gold earrings. Sasha and Tristan looked like little studs in black tuxedos and white and black sneakers. The twins smiled for the cameras as Chris lovingly wrapped his arms around his boys. Chris's brother Luke Hemsworth, who makes a cameo in the superhero movie, also attended the premiere with his family. Luke, 41, was joined by his wife Samantha and their 3 daughters. Director Taika Waititi was also in attendance with his 2 daughters, who he shares with his ex-wife Chelsea Winstanley. This premiere really was a family affair for everyone. Thor, Love and Thunder is the 4th Thor film in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, set to come out July 8, 2022. It had its first premiere at the El Capitan Theater in Los Angeles on June 23, where Chris spoke to reporters about filming his first nude scene for Marvel. "It was 10 years in the making that scene," he told Variety. "It was a dream of mine. The first time I played Thor I took my shirt off and I thought, you know what's gonna sweeten this? A decade from now, it's all gonna come off and here we are." In this comic book flick, Natalie Portman's character Jane Foster will yield Mjolnir, the legendary hammer, and become the mighty Thor. Tessa Thompson returns as Valkyrie, while Christian Bale plays the villain Gore. Chris Pratt, Karen Gillan, Pom Klementif, Dave Bautista, Vin Diesel, and Bradley Cooper will also reprise their roles from the Guardians of the Galaxy films.